Hello, dear children. Welcome to my maths class of Lit Maths. Thanks for being a part of my class. Today we are going to learn linear equation in one variable. So we need to know first what are the uses of equation and where we are using the equation. Now, equations are used in our daily life whether knowingly or unknowingly. Where we are using it? We are using those in finding age, number of articles, denominations, price, rate, speed, time in many fields such as the construction, business, agriculture, science laboratory, bank, business, anywhere. Now, it is used to figuring out the unknown value by relating a given known value. So we must know how to use it, and it is an important part of our learning. So we must learn linear equation. So today our topic is what is an equation? What is an algebraic equation? What is a linear equation? And how to solve an equation. Now let us start from what is an equation. An equation is a mathematical statement that has two expressions, one on each side of a sign of equality. That means a statement where two expressions are separated by the sign of equality. Just like a balance. This balance you must have seen in greengrocers or any shopkeepers. It has two pens and a balancing beam. And these two pens are just like LHS and RHS, that means left hand side and right hand side, and the balancing beam is used as equal to. So what are those equations? Whenever we are learning 4 into 5, 4 5s are 20, or 12 4s are 48, or we are writing 20 plus 19 equal to 39, all of you are using this. So these are also one equation, because in the sign of equality both sides one expressions are there. Those are nothing but one expression. Now 6 plus 5 is greater than 2. Yes, this is one true statement, but we can't say that this one is an equation, because there is no sign of equality. Two expressions are there, but there is no sign of equality. So we can't say that this one is an equation. Now already you have learned what is an equation. Now what are expressions? Already we have discussed that when one equation has two parts and two expressions, let us first know that what are those expressions. You must have seen, or you must have used those symbols whenever you are laughing at a joke, or you are one amazing fact, or one surprising, or whenever you are implying that it's okay or all right, we are using some symbols. So just like that, when we are expressing our views, whenever we are writing something, we are using some symbols, and those are one expression. So an expression is a symbol. Whenever we are writing an expression, we are symbolizing, or we are using some symbols to express our views. There are two types of expressions. Here in mathematics, whenever we are using one specific value or one constant numerical value, fixed quantity, and those symbols are used, those are called constants. Just like 0, 4, 6, or all those numbers, those are one symbol. Those symbols are assigned as one specific value or a constant numerical value. And those symbols, sometimes we are using some symbols for one unknown value, and those symbols are called as variable. So already we have discussed about constant and variables, and these are those two expressions. Now let us discuss about algebraic equation. When we are discussing about algebraic equation, one algebraic equation means at least one part of that equation must have a variable. Just like 4 plus 5 equal to 9, already we have discussed this one is one equation because two expressions are separated by the sign of equality. But there is a lack of variable. Here there is no variable present. So this is simply one numerical equation. Now another example, a plus 6 equal to 12. This one an algebraic equation in one variable, because here a, this symbol has not been given any numerical value or any fixed quantity, and 6 and 12 are constants. So this expression, so this equation is one algebraic equation. Now x plus y equal to 75. Here also in this equation 2 are the x and y are two variables. So this one is also an algebraic equation in two variables. So an algebraic equation means a variable must be present at least one of the expression. It may be present in both the side. Now what is linear equation? Linear equation means an algebraic equation when an algebraic equation is said to be a linear equation where the degree of that variable appearing in that expression must be equal to 1, not less than 1, not more than 1. For example, the equation must be in the form of ax plus b equal to c, where a, b, c are the constant parts, x is the variable, and the a must not be equal to 0. So let us learn with more examples. These are the examples of linear equations. Here number 1, 2n plus 5m equal to 19. Here m and n both are the variables, and the degree of n is 1 and m is also 1. So here 2n plus 5m is a linear equation in two variables. Here n and m are the variables with degree 1. Second example, 9x plus 8 equal to 20. Here 9x, here x is the variable of having degree 1. Here x square plus 4 equal to 9. X square is the variable here and the x is having degree 2. So we can't say that this is one linear equation because the degree of that variable is greater than 1. It is 2. We can't say that this is one linear equation. So already we have discussed about what is a linear equation, what is a linear equation in one variable, two variable. Thank you for watching. Thanks for joining my class of Lit Maths. Thank you all.